Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj. Today we are going to discuss about the formatting in Python. There are two major ways that we can do the formatting. One is with the one of the built-in function of a string family which is called as a dot format, and another one is using a mechanism of using %d, %s, %f. So we are going to see the both of them. So let's see first like with the dot format method. Format the output, we can say this as a title. Imagine yourself you have written a simplest program for addition of two numbers a and b, and you computed result in a result variable a plus b. You wanted to display a message like addition of a, which is a 10, and b, which is a 20, and result is 30. You wanted to print something like this. In a normally, like when you write a print statement with the comma separated variable, it will print everything at last. So what I'm talking about, addition of a colon and b colon and result colon comma a comma b comma c, or not a c, result. So this is how we are writing it, and we will end up with the getting this kind of output, which is a 10, 20, 30 at last. But our expectation is to get the output something like this. So there are two ways. First one, using dot format method, and second one is using %d, %f, %s. We will discuss this shortly. Let me discuss first one. With dot format is a built-in function or method from string data type. The syntax is really simple. Syntax: string opening closing curly braces, dot format, and your value or variable comma value slash variable. We can give something like this. Let's see the practical implementation of it. Dot format, print opening closing and opening closing. Dot format, we can write a 10, 20 and 30 and run this. We can see the value as it is. Even we can use a variable as well. Opening closing curly brace, dot format a comma b comma result, and run this. Even we can say that 10, 20, 30 because a is represented as 10, 20, b is a 20, and lastly c or a result is 30. Okay. Even what we can do, we can implement indexing over here. Print 0, 1 and 2. Dot format a comma b comma, sorry guys, I am writing a c multiple times. I should write a result. We can see this. If we replace the indexing, like if I just write a 2, 1 and 0. So what we will get? We will get something like 30, 20 and 10. 30, 20 and 10. Now if I wanted to print this output, I can easily use the dot format method and I can print it. The way I can print it, value of a opening closing, b, let me check the what message I have written, and I've used the and over there, and b colon opening closing and result dot format a comma b comma result, and let's run this. Value of a 10, b 20, and result is 30. This is how we can print it, guys. This is how we can use the dot format. One more interesting thing that I wanted to show you on a format, like for example, print opening closing curly brace dot format 10, 20, 30 and 40. We can see that 10, 20, 30, 40 are printed as it is. For example, if I just wanted to print 10, 10, 10, 10, so what I can use 0, 0, 0, 0. Internally what happens, on a from 0th index, it will take a 10 or replace over here, again 10 replace over here, 10 replace over here, and lastly 10. So we can see that 10 is 4 times. 10, 10, 10, 10. Similarly, if you wanted to print a 20, 20, 20, 20 and so on, so like how we can do that? 1, 1, 1 dot format 10, 20, 30, 40. 20 is at a first index value, and index always start with the 0. So that's why we will see the output as a 24 times. So this is how we can use a format. Okay. The another approach that we will take it, that is a using %d, %f, %s mechanism or method, we can say that. Let me write a few things over here in a documentation. %d will point integer type of value. %f will point float type of value. %s will point string type of value. Syntax is again simple. The syntax is really simple. In a double quote, %d, %f, %s, percentage. Here we don't need to use a format or anything, only percentage that we have to specify. Value slash variable, comma, value or variable, one of them. We can specify the one of them. Okay. So we already know that what %d is all about, what %f is all about, and what %s is all about. Let's see the few example, and then we will try to write down the same message, like addition of a 10 and b 20 and result 30, that we will write it. So how we are going to do it? So we can simply say that print %d, %f, %s, percentage, and I can directly write a value 10, 99.99, comma, and then what we can say that hello world, and let's run this. We can see that 10, 99.99, but there are additionally zeros get attached because of the float. We can restrict it. We can even restrict it. Let me show you that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy paste the same line, input number 11, and what we can do, we can say that 2 dot. Let me write this. What it is doing? Round off it. Let me copy paste the same thing. We can see this. After decimal places, we want a 2 thing. If I am doing a 1, round off, and so on. So this is how we can do it, guys. This is how we can do it. Similarly, if we by any chance, for example, if we just put 10 in a single quote, we can see that %d format a number required. Number is required, not a string. What will happen, for example, if you give a 10.567 and run this, you can see that it is removing the, after decimal places, it is removing a value. because the percentage d is there. Percentage d is there. Similarly, for example, if you just type a 99 and if you don't type a dot 99, what will happen? It will automatically add a dot 00. So float automatically adds a 0, 0, 0, 0. This is how we can do it, guys. This is how we can do it. Let me write a same thing. So this particular message I wanted to print in using a percentage d, percentage f, percentage s. So here we require only percentage d, or we can use a percentage f. So for time being, what I am going to do, I am going to use a percentage d. Addition of a colon percentage d and b colon percentage d and result colon percentage d percentage a comma b comma result, and run this. We can see the 10, 20, 30. Guys, you might see the few things like f. What I'm talking about, like you might see on internet, like there is a f, opening closing and opening closing, dot, or you can simply say not a dot as well. Like let me write a num1 equal to 500 and num2 equal to 600, and here it will num1 and here it is going to be num2. Oh, sorry, my bad. I don't need this. Okay, 500 and 600. Even this is possible. Even this is possible. So if you don't want it to use a dot format, even you can do this kind of formatting. So guys, let me quickly revise it what we have covered. In a formatting, there are two options that we have. We have using a dot format method and with the percentage d, percentage f and percentage s. On top of it, we have seen something f in quote. We can write opening closing curly braces, and in that particular curly braces, what we can replace? We can replace a variable or value. Variable or value. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let's meet you in a coming session. Bye.